here on the gorgeous Isle of Madeira. I'm going to be walking from the Lido area in Funchal to Camara de Lobos. Delightful, picturesque bay, just a few miles along the coast. And we'll be taking an especially scenic route this time. We're going via Levada. Stay with us. Maybe we'll stop for a little poncha at the end. So the Forum shopping centre. It's an easy landmark. This is our route up into Rua do Val da Ajuda. Full of coffee shops. We're just heading on up to find the steps that will take us up to the Levada. Just one street away, and we hear the sound of water. We hear the sound of cicadas. Levada Dos Piornais. Very distant hum of traffic just now and again, and birdsong. Here, so much colour. I'll make a stop here. It's 30 minutes into the walk. Casa de Levada. Lovely ladies that run it. We just cross the road and the sign points the way. And already see how the landscape is changing. We're just a few streets up. We're surrounded by greenery. Here, man-made environment blends in with the natural world. Sugarcane, cacti. Here, left with just the sound of our own footsteps. And birds. light breeze, a welcome breeze. It's a really warm day. It's a beautiful day in Funchal. There's no need to rush this walk. There's just so much to appreciate. Prickly pear. Oh, and an arch. Let's see what's on the other side. Don't often see cows along here. There are cows and their calves. And then the fields really open up. Just rows and rows of banana trees. The red tiled roofs. Yellow flowers. We're still in Funchal. So much colour. Here, you can get really close to the bananas. We're back up to the main road. Across the way you can see the new hospital being built. Well, we're on the side of the road for just a few hundred meters. Time to cool off. Nasturtiums. Hey, little fella. Coming for a walk? There's just so much to rest your eyes on here. Crossing the ER 101. Little bar here, pedicabra. It means goat's foot or crowbar. A little breeze picking up. Sound of cicadas. Liquid natural gas to our left. And it's moments away, we're here now. Camara de Lobos, right ahead. So still. No. It's just along here where Churchill famously sat and painted the view. You can see why he stayed here, can't you? Why he was mesmerised by this bay. Cards, or is it dominoes? Yep, it's cards. Well, I think we deserve a poncho, don't you? So we're going for the fisherman's poncho. Lemon. Rum. Oh, you can smell it. Oh, in goes the rum. This is how you make poncho. Hope you enjoyed our walk. Do subscribe to our Madeira only channel. Take care. See you on the next one.